Hello, my name is Patrick Quendo, and this is my entry to the Sambanova Dev Post Hackathon. So what I came up with is a simple proof of concept called Study Buddy. So this year I have spent it trying to work on my thesis, which means reading a lot of research papers and writing a lot of things, a lot of notes rather, and then sometimes I ended up using a lot of ChatGPT to try and figure out how some things worked, and I figured it would be easier if platforms like Overleaf or Google Docs would have integrated AIs, so you don't have to keep context switching. So I decided to build something that would be a proof of concept to it. So let's call it Study Buddy for now. So right now it's a very basic thing. You create a new study session, for instance. So here, say, studying Rails development, chemistry 102. So for this example, let's say we're studying, no, let's say we're doing something in cryptography, right? Cryptography, that's how you spell that, right? So we're studying cryptography, and so it's just intro to cryptography in computer science. Uh, so yeah, then the basics here would be computer science. So this is actually supposed to be session tags. So computer science, cryptography, basically. And we create a new session, and that's about it. This is a basic tricks editor. It has autosave enabled, which is nice. So, you don't lose your work. Cryptography, and then we can have intro, sorry, I can't type, to cryptography. And yeah, it's the basics. This is where you write your notes. And then on the right here now, you can ask, so the agent I built is called SB1. So on the previous screen, you've seen that we put in a topic name, topic description, and some tags. So topic concerned here, computer science and cryptography. So whatever question you ask to SB1, the prompts in the background would be, oh, you're a computer science expert, a cryptography expert. Uh, uh, Help me attain the goal of this description that you put in to understand intro to cryptography uh, by answering the following question, and then you can answer a simple question: what is symmetric key uh, cryptography? This is something we were just working with in school, and it poses the question to the backend, and then we get a response: symmetric cryptography, etc., etc. And I was working on this in a very short amount of time, so there's some features I really wanted to implement that I couldn't. For instance, copy paste feature, which would be very important, or just like a button where you just click and it adds it to your notes. Yet to figure out how to do that. I ran into some issues uh, with the Tabo and Hotwire because this is Rails, and ended up running into some issues for that. And also, I haven't used the tricks editor a lot, so sometimes changing data is updating content in a tricks editor is a bit confusing. But yeah, so that's basically it. And yeah, the autosave is enabled. Save note is just here for the OCD in me, because you always want to see a save feature. You never really trust the autosave. Um, but yeah, this is a proof of concept. So in what I plan to do further with this is to have it be some sort of markdown editor, something like Overleaf, where you can write proper research papers with an AI assistant on the side that's there to help you. Further assistance would be having it also, the AI agent, be also able to scan your notes and formulate questions for you, as you can see here on the homepage. So flashcards, quizzes based on your notes that you already have. Track your progress. It should also be able to generate a study plan for you, but this was as far as I could get in the time provided. Well, not really time provided. I ran out of time because I'm still studying and trying to finish my thesis. But yeah, that is what I have for now.